In this video, I will talk about how to get a refund from Depop by following the official process and resolve issues effectively. Begin by messaging the seller through the Depop app. Be polite and clearly explain the issue with the item. Provide specific reasons for your refund request, like item not as described, damaged, or missing. If you are unable to reach an agreement with the seller, go to Transaction in your account. Tap I have an issue with this item to begin the process. This will open a case in Depop's Resolution Center. Now, upload any relevant photos, screenshots, or chat logs that support your claim. The more detailed your evidence, the better the outcome. Depop will review your case and may ask for additional information. Be patient. This process can take a little time. If your case is approved, Depop might ask you to return the item to the seller, or they may issue a refund directly to your payment method. If you haven't heard back or need help, contact Depop's customer support for assistance. And that's how you request a refund on Depop. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.